Hi there collection and welcome to my channel. So this day has come. I'm starting to sort my collection and first of all I want to check with my quarters. Okay, so as you remember from previous videos, there are some coins that are already organized or sort of organized and quarters are part of them. Maybe I should take it out. I have here and here. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, it's my quarters and here also. I have visited United States a couple of times, so all quarters that I have I brought from these trips to USA. You can see all my quarters are here, every coin in its pocket, but I have never applied any rule to sort them right. But today I want to do it. I want to check every coin and to see what part of state, what state is this coin, and let's see. So as I can see, and I've read a little about it before filming this video, all my quarters it seems belong to the 50 states quarter program of US Mint. It was minted from 1999 through 2008, and they featured a unique design for each of the US states on the reverse. Okay, so let me put my gloves and we will start. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's see where from my first coin is. Okay, my first coin comes from Connecticut. It's minted in, let's put it here. It's minted in 1999, as you can see here, below, here. In the verse, we have a George Washington face, first president of the United States, caption, United States of America, in God we trust, and liberty. We have the scenes in every coin. D refers to Denver Mint, $quarter. On the reverse side we have here at the bottom we have E pluribus unum, here at the bottom, one from many, a traditional motto of the United States, and the state name here, Connecticut. We have a year here, it's 1788. It's when Connecticut ratified the US Constitution and becoming the fifth state in the Union, if I remember right. This beautiful tree is so-called the Charter Oak. I read it, it was an unusually large white oak tree growing on Willis Hill in Hartford from around the 20th, 30th century until it fell during a storm in 1856. Almost 600 years, wow, it's amazing, unbelievable. According to tradition, Connecticut's Royal Charter of 1662 was hidden within the hollow of the tree to thwart its confiscation by the English Governor General. And so the oak tree became a symbol of American independence, and that's why it's commemorated on the Connecticut State quarter. So as I said before, it seems all my quarters I belong to 50 states quarters program. What a beautiful story. I love history, and that's why I love to collect coins and paper money, because through these coins we can learn a history of other lands and other countries. So as you can see here, the word oak is almost invisible. I don't know if it's a minted error or just because it's such an almost 20 years old circulation coin. You know, it was minted in 1999. I don't know. There is no other way for me to get another Connecticut quarter coin to compare, especially during the coronavirus pandemic. So please, if you watch this video and can send me another one, I will really appreciate it. It's only 25 cents for you, but it's a whole lot for collectors like me. And also I think about some rewards for those of you who will send me gift like this. In conclusion, it's a very impressive coin. Let's update in my app. Let's do it together. Okay, I'm here. Let's sign in with my Google account. Okay. So this is my account. Let's go to add new coin. Let's add my new coin here. I will put some. I want to picture this coin on the white background. Nice picture. Okay. Let's do it. Tick. The Riverside, Connecticut camera. Okay, great. So, okay, let's crop the coin. Nice. Okay, USA coin minted in 1999. Average price for now it's only $0.25. Number of same coins, I have only one, so again, if you can, please send me another quarter, Connecticut state quarter, because I don't know if it's really an error here or it's just because it's you know, it took time. So only one, and write description, let's write Connecticut. Connecticut, okay. Select coin value, it's only 25 cents, so okay, we did it. Our coin is updated, and so we can see it here, and I think I can start add right image, because sometimes we can be some misunderstood, so I want to put my right image to 50 states quarters collection, and so on. Okay, so I have one coin. My total worth of my collection is 25 cents, and I have, yeah, this collection is started. I have one from 15. Wow. As I can see here, I think I don't have 50 coins. It's only 6 multiply 5, it's only 30. Oh my god, I don't have 20 coins. So if someone can send me some quarters, that way I will very appreciate it, and I will, you know, we will think about something how to reward this person. So my the coin is here, my collection is started. Great. Okay, wow. Okay, so since I don't have any QA team, if you find any bugs when you're using my app, so please write me in the comment below. We started our journey, so please subscribe my channel if you like video like this, and please comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. See you next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.